How to get shredded with only calisthenics. The 3 energy systems you're missing. You train hard, like beast mode hard. Your pull-ups are clean, your push-ups are crisp, your dips, textbook perfect, and your diet? Pretty solid too. After all that effort, do you still kinda look like a potato that can do a muscle-up? Where's the shredded body you've been grinding for? Here's the truth. It might not be your workouts. It might not even be your food. It could be something no one talks about. Your energy systems. Vulnerability/story. Most people train 1, maybe 2 energy system, if they're lucky. I used to do the same. Pull days, push days, skill work. It felt solid. But I was stuck. Strong, yes. Shredded, not even close. That's when I learned the secret. If you want to look as strong as you actually are, you've got to train all 3 energy systems every single week. Clear promise. Stick with me, because I'll not only break them down for you, but I'll also show you how to structure a full week of calisthenics training to finally get that shredded look. No barbells, no machines, just body weight. Step 1. Phosphagen, the raw power system. This is your superhero mode. Short, explosive bursts, 10 seconds or less. Max push-ups, weighted pull-ups, front levers, static holds. All the flashy stuff you post on Instagram. It builds lean muscle and insane strength. Neuromuscular power at its peak. But here's the catch. It doesn't burn much fat. That's why if this is all you train, you'll get strong, but soft. Step 2. Glycolytic, the fat torching engine. This is where the magic for shredding happens. The mid-zone. Think high-intensity intervals, 30 seconds to 2 minutes of work. The sweet spot where fat loss and muscle preservation collide. And the king here? Jump rope. Especially weighted jump rope. It lights up your legs, shoulders, core, and grip all at once. It's high intensity without smashing your joints. 5 minutes in, and your lungs feel like they're doing burpees without you. Science backs it up too. Research shows combining resistance with this kind of cardio burns more fat without costing muscle. This is your shred accelerator. Step 3. Oxidative, the secret weapon. This one's boring on paper but golden in practice. Low intensity, long duration. Think 30 to 60-minute walks, easy bike rides, mobility flows. It's not glamorous. You won't look shredded after one session. But here's what it does. Burns calories passively, resets your nervous system, lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, speeds recovery so you can train harder tomorrow. Neglect this, and you'll plateau. Add it and your body wakes up again. Fat starts melting. Soreness fades. Consistency skyrockets. Secret tip. Most calisthenics athletes stop at phosphagen work because it feels real. But shredding isn't about doing more of the same. It's about balance. Muscle plus metabolism plus recovery. Train all 3, and your physique finally matches your strength. Daily habit rule. Here's the rule. Don't treat recovery and conditioning as optional. They're not extras. They're equal players in the game. If you hit each system every week, power, fat burn, recovery, your body has no choice but to transform. Test, reveal how to structure a week. Try this schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, strength sessions. Pull-ups, dips, push-ups, static holds. Build raw power. Tuesday, Saturday, jump rope sessions. Short, brutal, metabolic. Torch fat. Thursday, Sunday, recovery days. Long walks, mobility, easy movement, reset and recharge. You're still doing pure calisthenics, still mastering skills. But now the system is complete. Single takeaway plus CTA. So here's the takeaway. If you want to get shredded with just calisthenics, don't change what you train. Change how you train. Strength builds, jump rope burns, recovery resets. Hit all 3 energy systems and the shredded look will follow. Now it's your turn. What's the energy system you've been skipping? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, share it with that friend who still thinks cardio kills gains. See you in the next one.